Sie sind krank? Was kann man tun? So what to do when you are sick? Hello everyone, welcome to Learn German. In this video, you will learn what to do when you are sick and how to report yourself sick at work. The first thing to do is to call up your employer, den Arbeitgeber anrufen, and inform them about your inability to work. Generally, you do not need a medical certificate for the first 3 days of illness. But if you need one, then you should call up your family doctor or den Hausarzt and fix an appointment, if possible, for the same day. Den Arzt anrufen und einen Termin vereinbaren. Then go to the doctor and get yourself examined. Zum Arzt gehen. If the doctor prescribes you rest and sees that you are unable to go to work for a few days, he will give you a medical certificate or die Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung. This you have to send to your employer and a copy to the insurance company. Die Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung bitte an den Arbeitgeber und an die Krankenkasse schicken. Die Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung. The certificate of incapacity for work is a written confirmation that someone is ill and cannot work. The certificate of incapacity for work consists of 2 slips of paper. You must give one of those to your employer and as soon as possible. For example, you can bring it in person or send it by post. You must send the second note to your health insurance company, also as quickly as possible. Sich krankmelden. This is a reflexive verb. Krank and melden are written together. Wann muss man sich krank melden? In Germany, an employee is legally obliged to inform his employer before starting normal work if he is ill. Employees must report sick in the morning, even without a certificate. It is best to do so before starting work and before a possible visit to the doctor. If you do not call in sick before the normal start of your work, but go to the doctor first and then call your employer and call in sick at noon, for example, this can be a reason for a warning. Bei wem muss man sich krank melden? To whom should one report sick? Bei dem Vorgesetzten. One must report the incapacity to work to his employer, more precisely to the supervisor as soon as possible, and also say how long the illness is like to last. Wie kann man sich krank melden? How can one report sick? Sometimes it is clearly mentioned in the employment contract how to call in sick, but you can also send an SMS or a WhatsApp, write an email or make a phone call. Making a phone call is the most reliable way because you're sure your message has been reached. Are you enjoying our video and the content? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy more videos. Let's look at an example now how you can call in sick on telephone. Sich am Telefon krank melden. Es ist Dienstagmorgen und Lukas fühlt sich gar nicht gut. So kann er nicht arbeiten gehen. Nun muss er sich bei seinem Arbeitgeber krank melden.
Guten Morgen, Jung am Apparat.
Guten Morgen, Frau Jung. Ich muss Ihnen leider mitteilen, dass ich mich für heute krank melden muss. Ich fühle mich gar nicht gut.
Hallo, Herr Flügel. Oh je, Sie hören sich gar nicht gut an. Gehen Sie besser zum Arzt.
Da werde ich gleich anrufen und mich dann bei Ihnen melden, sobald ich mehr weiß.
Alles klar. Sollten Sie eine Krankmeldung bekommen, senden Sie diese einfach per Post an unsere Personalabteilung. Die kümmern sich dann um alles Weitere. Ich wünsche Ihnen eine gute Besserung.
Vielen Dank. Sie werden von mir hören. Tschüss.
Tschüss, Herr Flügel.
You can also leave a message on the answering machine.
Guten Morgen, Frau Müller. Hier ist Sabine Lange. Leider fühle ich mich heute krank und kann nicht zur Arbeit kommen. Um 11 Uhr habe ich einen Termin beim Arzt. Ich melde mich danach noch einmal bei Ihnen. Ich kann es leider nicht sagen, wann es mir wieder besser geht. Sollte ich länger ausfallen, melde ich mich spätestens heute Nachmittag. Bis dann weiß ich Bescheid, wie lange ich krankgeschrieben werde. Auf Wiederhören.
If the employer does not explicitly request that you report being sick by telephone, you can also report being sick by email. Let's look at an example now how you can call in sick via email. Sich per E-Mail krankmelden. Sehr geehrte Frau Müller, ich fühle mich nicht gut und muss mich für heute leider krank melden. Ich habe einen Arzttermin um 11 Uhr. Danach kann ich Ihnen mitteilen, wie lange ich voraussichtlich krankgeschrieben sein werde. Die Arbeitsunfähigkeitsbescheinigung reiche ich unverzüglich nach. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Sabine Lange. In this email, you come across a new word, krankschreiben, also written together, und bedeutet schriftlich bestätigen, dass jemand wegen Krankheit nicht zur Arbeit gehen kann. Das macht der Arzt. You get a sick note from the doctor. But does one always need that? Check your contract of employment. Some contracts state that you need a so-called certificate of incapacity to work on the first day of illness, or a medical certificate. If your contract of employment says nothing about this, then the following applies. You do not need a medical certificate of incapacity for work for the first 3 days of illness. So you don't necessarily have to go to the doctor. However, if you are ill for more than 3 days, you must go to the doctor and get yourself examined. The doctor will then give you the medical certificate for a certain period of time. What happens if you are sick longer than the sick note says? It's best to call your employer again and keep calling in sick. Then go back to the doctor and get a new certificate of incapacity for work. Send this back to your employer and health insurance company as soon as possible. In our next video, Lukas will be calling up the doctor to fix an appointment. Stay tuned. To get access to extra material for this video and lots more, do become a member today or join us on Patreon for a free worksheet. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!